Today I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on FreshBooks. Whether you're billing a new client or sending recurring invoices for your services, FreshBooks makes the process straightforward and professional. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to the FreshBooks website to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your FreshBooks dashboard. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu and locate the option labeled Invoices. Click on it to proceed. This section is where all your billing activity lives, giving you a complete overview of your invoicing history. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll see a preview of all the invoices you've created under your FreshBooks account. This is helpful for tracking what's been sent, what's been paid, and what's still outstanding. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the New Invoice button. This will open up a fresh invoice template where you can start building your bill. On the New Invoice page, the first thing you'll need to do is enter the client you're billing. Click on Select a Client, and a list of all your existing clients will appear. If the client you're looking for isn't there yet, no problem. Just click on Create a Client, and you'll be prompted to fill in their contact details, including name, email, and address. Once that's done, you're ready to add the items or services you're charging for. Click on the Add a Line button, and you'll see fields where you can enter the description of the item or service along with the rate and quantity. FreshBooks will automatically calculate the total for you based on what you input. Now, let's personalize your invoice a bit. You can add your business logo by dragging an image onto the top left part of your invoice. This adds a professional touch and reinforces your brand identity. Next, make sure to adjust the issue date and due date of your invoice accordingly. These dates are important because they set clear expectations for when payment is due. If you need to offer a discount or request a deposit upfront, FreshBooks gives you those options as well. You can add them directly from the invoice page once everything looks good and all the details are filled in correctly. Click the Send to button located at the top right part of your screen. This will send the invoice directly to your client's email, making the billing process smooth and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice on FreshBooks, helping you get paid faster and keep your business organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.